Hey, it's Jamie, and I'm going to show you this quick little video. I've been doing a lot of these hanging garden pieces, and I'm making beads for them. So this is how I go about doing it. I've rolled out some balls for the size of bead that I want, and then I'm going to use a skewer or chopstick in this case to make a hole in it. And I do this action of this side and this side because if you notice when you push through, you get that kind of thing happening. So I push it down, it goes small, and then I push through again. Anyway, back to this guy. I'm currently working my way through this, and so what I'm going to do is put this on the mold and then choose a stamp that I want. And there you have it. You can also do something where you take a bigger stamp. This is a bigger piece of clay here. And press it on, take another stamp. It's like an Oreo. And then I just twist and pull out. So I often use, wooden stamps, but I also make my own stamps that I do as well. I also have a bunch of these mats. So if you have texture mats at home, you could do the same thing. So for example, I'm going to do this sea themed one with a big one. Put it right on the shell here, and then use the one I carved here.